The law is not made for a righteous man.
Is there any righteous man in this building? If you're a righteous man, wave your hand, shout, I'm a righteous man. Turn to your neighbor, say, neighbor, the law is not made for me. Knowing this, read for me.
Knowing this, that the law is not made for a righteous man,
Yes.
but for the lawless and disobedient,
Yes.
for the ungodly and for sinners,
Yes.
for unholy and profane,
Yes.
for murderers of fathers and murderers of mothers,
Yes.
for manslayers.
Those are the people the law is made for. Verse 15.
This is the faithful saying, and worthy of all acceptation,
Yes.
that Christ Jesus came into the world to save sinners, of whom I am chief.
To save sinners, of whom I am chief. Hebrews 7:26. Read for me.
For such an high priest became us, who is holy,
Such
harmless.
an high priest became us. Such an high priest became such an high priest became